Hello and welcome back, viewers. Today's topic is the incredible changes I experienced when I consumed 2 tablespoons of olive oil daily. Let's get into it. Incorporating small changes into our daily routines can have a significant impact on our overall health and well-being. One such change I made was consuming 2 tablespoons of olive oil daily. To my surprise, this simple addition brought about a plethora of incredible changes that positively transformed my life. In this video, I will share my personal journey and the remarkable benefits I experienced by including olive oil in my daily diet. 1. Increased energy levels. From the moment I started consuming 2 tablespoons of olive oil daily, I noticed a substantial boost in my energy levels. The monounsaturated fats present in olive oil provided a steady release of energy throughout the day, preventing energy slumps and enhancing my productivity. 2. Improved skin health. The effects of olive oil on my skin were truly remarkable. Its natural moisturizing properties increased hydration, reducing dryness and leaving my skin supple and nourished. I also noticed a healthy glow that added radiance to my complexion. 3. Enhanced digestion. One of the most noticeable changes I experienced was in my digestion. The daily consumption of olive oil improved my digestive system, alleviating bloating and discomfort. It helped regulate bowel movements and supported overall gut health, promoting a happier stomach. 4. Weight management benefits. Maintaining a healthy weight became easier with the inclusion of olive oil in my diet. Its satiating properties made me feel fuller for longer periods, curbing unnecessary snacking and reducing cravings. As a result, I found it easier to manage my weight effectively. 5. Heart healthy effects. Olive oil's impact on my cardiovascular health was nothing short of remarkable. By consuming 2 tablespoons daily, my cholesterol levels improved, with the beneficial fats in olive oil actively working to reduce bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. This, in turn, lowered my risk of heart disease. 6. Stronger immune system. The antioxidants found in olive oil played a significant role in boosting my immune system. I found myself falling ill less frequently, as the powerful antioxidants helped strengthen my body's defenses against common illnesses and infections. 7. Improved cognitive function. Olive oil's positive impact extended to my brain health as well. The rich presence of polyphenols in olive oil enhanced my memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. I felt mentally sharper and more alert, which had a positive impact on my daily activities. 8. Joint and muscle health. The anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil proved to be a boon for my joint and muscle health. I experienced a noticeable reduction in joint pain and stiffness, which allowed me to engage in physical activities more comfortably. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory effects promoted overall joint and muscle well-being. 9. Reduced inflammation. Incorporating olive oil into my daily routine had a significant impact on reducing inflammation throughout my body. The active compounds in olive oil worked as natural anti-inflammatories, providing relief from various inflammatory conditions such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. 10. Nutritional benefits. The nutritional benefits of olive oil cannot be overlooked. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, and beneficial fats that contribute to overall health and well-being. From vitamin E to omega-3 fatty acids, olive oil provided me with essential nutrients that supported various bodily functions. Conclusion. My decision to consume 2 tablespoons of olive oil daily brought about incredible changes in my life. From increased energy levels to improved skin health, enhanced digestion, weight management benefits, heart healthy effects, a stronger immune system, improved cognitive function, better joint and muscle health, reduced inflammation, and overall nutritional benefits, olive oil proved to be a true superfood. I encourage you to explore the remarkable benefits of olive oil and experience the positive changes it can bring to your own life. If you got any value from this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and best of luck on your fitness journey.